Well, almost there. Wait, oh my god, what's that?
Heard you were on vacation.
Yeah, on vacation.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I understand. We really appreciate it, though, officer. So could you just make sure the scene is secure for us?
Okay.
Thank you. I understand this is hard.
I was on vacation!
But could you just try to search your memory to try to see what really happened to you? Can you remember anything at all?
Well, I was going to make a left, and then all of a sudden, I saw this big, humongous, like, cargo van smashed the front of my car. Didn't see it coming. I mean, it was a green light. I knew it was safe. I don't know. I just can't remember the rest. It's really hard. I mean, the impact.
All right. Well, thank you. You've been a great help. But just go home. An officer will take you home and just relax and try to remember. If you remember anything at all, call the police department. And they'll patch you through to me. Okay?
Thank you. We're going to the crime lab.
Officer, what do you think?
I think they were going pretty quick, but I'm not too sure.
Yeah, I agree. Well, about them going too fast. So, do you believe her?
I'm not too sure. Well, it was kind of reasonable, but
Yeah, there's just something about it.
I can't take it anymore. It was me.
It was? Please,
It was
sit
me.
down. Sit down. What's the matter?
I was the one that wasn't paying attention to the road. I was the one that really crashed into her.
So,
It happened when... hey! Oh, really? That's cool. Rover's a good name. Wow. That must have cost you a lot. Really? That's cool. Really? Because I don't think I'll have enough time to do that. Yeah. I'm not sure though.
officer, could you take her away now?
Sorry, ma'am, but you're going to have to come with me.
Hello. Thank you for watching our little melodrama. But movies and such aside, I want the class to understand something. That accidents are caused by human error mostly. And human error is generally caused because people get distracted. Very well-meaning, intelligent individuals do stupid stuff like put their makeup on and talk on cell phones while they're supposed to be paying attention to the road. But you must know that if you do stuff like that, there's more than just the cost of how much you're going to have to pay after your insurance company covers some of the costs. It's not that. There's a loss of life, a loss of time. The streets become congested, people die. This is a very serious issue, and I hope you realize the domino effect that occurs when you get distracted at the wheel.